Tired of juggling leads scattered across Zillow and struggling to keep your CRM organized? This video shows you how to seamlessly connect Zillow to Kvcore, transforming your lead management and boosting your real estate workflow. First, log into your Kvcore account. On the left-hand side navigation, find and click the Marketplace tab. This is where all the integrations live. Scroll through the Marketplace until you locate the Zillow integration tile. It usually has the Zillow logo, so it's easy to spot once you find it. Click on the Get This button. You'll be taken to the Zillow integration page. Here, you'll typically see a brief overview of the integration benefits. Look for a Connect button and click it. You'll be prompted to log into your Zillow account. Make sure you're using the same email address associated with your Zillow agent profile. Next, Zillow will ask you to grant Kvcore permission to access your lead information. Review the permissions carefully, and if you're comfortable, click the Allow button. You'll be redirected back to Kvcore, and the Zillow integration should now show as connected. You'll likely find options to customize how leads are imported, such as automatic lead routing and tagging. Make sure you configure these to fit your specific needs. Congratulations! You've successfully connected Zillow to Kvcore. Now, your Zillow leads will automatically flow into your Kvcore CRM, saving you time and ensuring no lead slips through the cracks.